Welcome to Unboxing Nature. My name is your host, Animal Insanity. This is Beetle Insanity. Let me introduce you to the Iron-Clad Beetle. This guy has one of the toughest exoskeletons of any insect, which for its size makes it one of the strongest critters on this planet. So the Iron-Clad beetle, the larvae and the adults eat rotting wood, not living trees. So they're not really considered a pest to humans. But the exoskeleton on this thing, hence its name, Iron-Clad, it is one of the most impenetrable creatures on the planet. So he may just play dead here. You don't need to bite. You don't need to fly away. You don't need to emit a toxic, nauseous substance when you have an exoskeleton this tough. What you tend to do is your defense mechanism is just play dead. So basically, this beetle's exoskeleton can withstand 39,000 times its own weight. If you're a lizard or a bird, you're not going to be able to crack that to get to them soft, gooey, delicious insides. And I was reading on the internet, it says the equivalent would be a human being able to lift 40 tanker trucks. 40 tanks, okay? 55 tons each. Well, I think he's interesting. One of the more charismatic mega beetles of the region. And I'll tell you another thing. Since they're pretty calm, they don't stink, they don't fly away. Down in Mexico, they wear Iron-Clad beetles as living jewelry. I've seen this in person. They will glue rhinestones to the elytra wings and put a little chain on it, like a little 3-inch chain, and then have a pin, a little clasp attached to the other end of the chain. And the beetle will crawl around on your shirt, your lapel, maybe a hat. He ain't flying away. He ain't really harmed. He hasn't been painted or, nothing has been drilled into it. And they'll wear them as living jewelry. I've seen it in person. No exaggeration. And one more thing to entomologists, insect collectors. You've seen insect collections where they have, like with a butterfly or moth, you put the insect pin through its thorax. With Coleoptera, the beetle, you usually put the pin through one half of its elytra wing on its abdomen. Well, you can't penetrate this guy with a steel insect pin. So, fun fact. I'm happy to see him, happy to have found him, happy to have shared it with you. See, he just playing dead. But he's fine. I'm going to put him back on a rotten log. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for the thumbs up. Go check out the Unboxing Nature playlist, and I'll see you next time. Good night. Goodbye. Have a great week.